Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to my Trend of the Week video. For this week, the topic is Bitcoin, specifically why the price of Bitcoin has collapsed. It's down about 40% from its all-time high in November, and there's one explanation for this that I'd like to offer to you, and it's Kazakhstan. Now, Bitcoin, you'll notice, is not the most stable of assets. You get big volatility, and this was the big run-up to the all-time high of $67,000 for Bitcoin back on November 4th. And from there, it's been zoom. And we're down about 40%. And one of the major developments here has been the, we'll use a kind word, political unrest in Kazakhstan. There's been a popular revolt against the autocrat that rules the country. So one of the things about the Bitcoin economy is up until about 2019, China was the world's biggest source of Bitcoins. This is a measure that tracks what the percentage of all the energy that's going into Bitcoins mining is coming from a particular country. In September 2019, China accounted for 76% of all that energy. Now it's down to zero because they pulled out of it. Now that has meant that the US is now the largest Bitcoin mining country. We've got about 35% of the market. That's up from 4% in 2019. Kazakhstan is now up to a little over 18% from 1.4% in 2019. You can imagine what has happened as this country has become disrupted by mass political protests. People are not working, they're not mining their Bitcoins. And you say, well, what wouldn't a drop in supply mean a rise in Bitcoin price? Well, one of the things about Kazakhstan as a source of Bitcoin energy is that it produces most of its energy from coal. Therefore, it's a cheap electricity source. That's why the industry is there. So when the country falls apart and electric plants are not burning coal and producing electricity, Bitcoin mining has to go somewhere else where it's more expensive to mine Bitcoins, and that actual fact, plus the fear of what's going on with Bitcoin, is really an explanation of how Kazakhstan is tied into Bitcoin prices right now. Thanks for watching. This has been Jim Jubak for Trend of the Week. If you want to see more of my stuff, you can go to my free site. That's jubakpicks.com, 3 portfolios. My paid site is jubakam.com, 6 portfolios. And I've just posted the results from my dividend portfolio for 2021, up about almost 19%. So check it out on either site, and you can find the whole portfolio there too. Thanks for watching.